Hi guys. I'm Rashi, Anaira's mom. My daughter is in KGB, and I'm gonna talk about in this video how to get the concept of phonics. Get the concept of phonics imprinted with your kid to make them understand the concept and hence be able to make words through phonics, whether it's three letter words or four letter words. See, what I believe is that it doesn't really matter if the child is doing it in written. मतलब कि if the child is able to do the everyday homework in writing, अगर वो नहीं भी होता है तो इट इज़ ओके टिल द टाइम द चाइल्ड इज़ अंडरस्टैंडिंग द कॉन्सेप्ट. ओरली भी है, आप कभी कभी करा लो उसको. वैसे तो ऑफकोर्स होमवर्क के हिसाब से आई प्रेफर मेकिंग इट getting it done every day, because that way Zanira is in the practice of doing homework every day. But if even if it doesn't happen, it is okay, because I think the times are very difficult for both as a parent and for the kids. Let us give them a little flexibility and involve as much fun as we can in the learning process. So the activity which I'm gonna do today, it's very very easy, and जहाँ तक मुझे पता है I am trying to tell you those activities which you can do. The materials which Anaira has, I think it's the same material which you parents also have. I do not have that right now because I'm at my in-laws place and we otherwise stay in Gurgaon. But I will explain you the activity so that it's easier for you to understand. Okay, so in this activity we need a blackboard or a green board. मतलब हमें blackboard चाहिए and a chalk piece. So I think we all have that. So I'll just quickly show you. What I do is, what I did with the Anaira was that if this is the blackboard or the green board या जो भी आपके पास है जिस पे हम लोग चौक से काम कर सकते हैं, just write the sound. I mean, just write the letters. For example, let's take vowels का example. Okay, we write with the chalk. We write a, e, a, o. Sorry, it's the other way. A, e, o. हाँ ठीक है. So we write it like this. Okay, you can write it any way you feel like. See, the activity should be interesting for the child. आप उसको पढ़ाई के उससे बिल्कुल भी मतलब, don't tell him let's study, don't tell him कि let's do phonics, or let's just tell your child let's do something new today. See, make हम whatever you trying to do, just make it fun and make it look like new, because बच्चे भी सेम चीज़ें करते करते बोर हो जाते हैं, and no kid wants to study at home. तो स्कूल में कर लेते हैं because the environment is different. There are other kids too who are studying, then there's the teacher. Of course घर में it's a different behavior of the kids. So don't push them too hard to study. Just let's just focus on making the concept clear to the child. So once we've written like this, then what do we do is take a paintbrush. If you do not have a paintbrush, then you can take a earbud. Take a earbud or a paintbrush, right? And a little bit of water. Just water would do, or if you want, just water should do actually. Water. Okay, I am just explaining you, so I'm just trying to clear the concept. Clear the concept of the activity. Okay, so ask the child, you just give the blackboard to the child, ask the child to dip the paintbrush in the water. Now the bristles are wet, and ask the child to write over what you have written. So if it is a, so ask him to write a. Okay, so it's like this, it's a, and ask him to repeat whatever he is writing. Okay, so if it is a, he's saying a. If it is a, he's saying eh. If it is e, he's saying e. Each time he takes a little bit of water from the bowl and he does the exercise. So this is how you can explain the concept of phonics to the child through a very simple activity. And uh, once the basic concept of phonics is clear, then you can move ahead with words with the same activity. You know, you can write CAP, cap, and then you can ask the child to, just take the paintbrush and, write on top of whatever you've written, cab, bat, bed, or whatever words. So introduce new ways to for the same thing with the child. And I understand that we all are swamped with work. There are a lot of moms who working moms, and they're working from home, so there's a double amount of work for them. But I really feel that we need to sit with the child to make him do anything. See, we cannot expect a 4-year-old or a 5-year-old child that he would do a certain activity or he would do a certain task all by himself, and while we can do other things. और पढ़ाई के मामले में तो definitely they don't do anything by themselves. So if yet see, this activity is very basic and takes very less time. So and no, don't focus on spending like maybe an hour or half an hour or 2 hours with your child. Even if it is a 5-minute thing, it'll work. 10 minutes, 15 minutes, half an hour, whatever time your child can, your child is interested in the activity, आप उतना ही time दो. Don't push them, because it is really hard. Their environment is different, their routine is different, they have nowhere to go, they don't have friends. And sometimes we really don't understand what is going in a child's mind. And we are swamped with many things at work, at home, and we tend to get annoyed with the child. So instead of pushing them ki do it, do it, don't do that. Just try to जितना देर आपका बच्चा बैठ के करता है, बस उतनी टाइम लगाइए. यू जस्ट नीड टू मेक श्योर दैट द कॉन्सेप्ट इज़ क्लियर, दैट्स इट. उसके बाद वो नहीं भी पढ़े, डजंट मैटर. And one thing more, so we never show Anaira whatever the YouTube links are sent by the teacher over the phone. We either mirror it on the TV, or we use Chromecast to play the same YouTube video, or we directly play YouTube video on the on through Amazon Prime. So that restricts the usage of phone and usage of screen. See, we can control that, and we can limit time. So so that was one activity which I tried with Anaira. And please let me know your child's interest, so I can share more activities with you. I really want to help you all, because we are all in the same boat. Any which way I can be of help, whether it is to your child or even to you. Actually we follow mindful parenting, and trust me, it is doing wonders to us. It's been over 6 months that I am practicing mindful parenting, and trust me, this lockdown has just not hassled me at all, even with 2 kids and staying with in-laws and with so much of work. So please let me know if you need any more help. I'm always there to help you. And thank you so much. And one thing more, thank you so very much for asking me for help, because I'm wearing lipstick after a month and it felt so great. So thank you so much. I hope this activity really helps you, and if not, then do let me know. We'll think of some other way. Thank you. Bye.